Portable power is no stranger to construction sites, but running your corded tools on battery power, that's a different kind of a challenge. Now, Milwaukee initially answered that challenge with the MX Fuel carry-on power supply, but now they're turning to their massively popular 18-volt system, and we've got the Milwaukee M18 carry-on fuel power supply. We're going to go over the design a bit and show you what it is and what it isn't. The first thing you need to know is that you have to run this with 4 M18 batteries, and that's different than some of the other units on the market that just kind of step down their wattage if you have fewer batteries on it, but it makes sense if you think about it. These are all 18-volt batteries, and if you're trying to run something like a 2-inch rotary hammer, this battery by itself is going to have to work really hard to keep up. And if you got something like 5 amp hour batteries or even 2 amp hour batteries on there, you're not going to run for very long. So the fact that you've got 4 batteries on here means that each pack is having to work less than if it was working on its own, and you're going to get more relevant runtime for those higher draw tools. To get the best performance, make sure you start with 4 fully charged batteries that are the same amp hour capacity. If you've got 3 12 amp hour batteries on here and then you decide to throw a 2 amp hour pack on there, the whole unit's done when that 2 amp hour pack is done. So start with the same capacity, make sure that they're all fully charged to get the best performance out of it. Now, when you are getting down to the bottom of your capacity, the unit's going to emit a beep, and it's loud enough to be heard on the job site, so fairly loud. You know, if you're trying to use this thing overnight to power a refrigerator after a hurricane, it's going to wake you up, is what I'm saying. Now, aside from that, the unit runs at just a constant 66 decibels, so it is quiet enough when it's running on its own. Now, as far as the actual running watts go, you're looking at 1,800 watts total for this unit. And do a little bit of math here. 1,800 watts divided by 120 volts, that's 15 amps. So this thing can run all of your 15 amp tools, and because it's got a 3,600 watt startup capacity, even that startup surge that you get from things like table saws or refrigerators or stuff like that, it's going to be able to handle those things. Now, as far as the actual outlets go, look around here on the front. You've got a pair of 120 volt outlets, and then this is your charging port, and we're going to talk about that in just a minute. And then you have 2 USB ports. You've got a USB-A, and below it you've got a USB-C. And that tells us something else that we need to get around to as well. This is putting out pure sine wave energy, so it's perfectly capable of running your sensitive electronics, your tablets, your laptops, even CPAP machines and things like that if you really want to. Now, when it comes to the charging, since we've already started talking about it, just a standard extension cord is all you need to plug in here. And the cool thing is this will charge all 4 batteries simultaneously. It's going to be a 3 amp per battery charge rate. So it is a standard charge rate, but you're getting all of them charged at the same time. And one other thing that you need to know is you can't use this in a pass-through capacity. So if you're charging the batteries and then you come over here and turn the unit on, because you do have to turn it on for the outlets to be active. As soon as you turn this on, the unit's going to protect itself by shutting down the charging cycle. One other feature that Milwaukee built into this is an optional battery lockout. So right up here in the handle, if you twist to unlock, the handle's up here spread out, and then you've got a hole right here that you can stick a padlock in. And what these bars have done is they've come over the edges of the batteries, so you can't take them out now, even if you unclip them. The bar is blocking it from coming out. So nice little feature to have on there if you want to make sure your batteries don't go walking off. And if you're using 12 amp hour batteries like we are, the total weight is 41.7 pounds. Milwaukee has an optional shoulder strap that you can add to this. We do recommend it. It is a little bit awkward to have it on your shoulder because of the boxy nature of the design, but it's okay. It works really well. You just kind of have it against your hip, get upstairs, get over to wherever you're working, set it down, you're good to go. And then of course you've also got the handle up here. So if you're a lot stronger than I am and you want to one-arm this thing or just, you know, maybe lift some weights, beer stein style, go for it. I was talking to a buddy who also has one of these, and he felt Milwaukee kind of punted on the design. He was looking for things like an LCD screen that shows the discharge and charging rates of the batteries. He wanted solar compatibility and even more outlets. Basically what he wanted was a recreational battery inverter. But that's not what Milwaukee designed this to be. It's got a roll cage design. It's got the power outlets you need to either charge batteries with other chargers or run corded power tools. And it's got just what you need for the technology you're going to have on site. In short, I think Milwaukee did a fine job of designing this exactly for what they designed it for, and that's for work on construction sites. When it comes to price, you've got several different options for the M18 carry-on power supply. As a bare tool, it's going to run $699. There's also a kit that's going to come with 4 5 amp hour batteries. That one's going to run $1122, and it's a good option if you're doing things like charging other batteries or running lower demand things. But there's also a kit that's going to come with the 4 12 amp hour batteries and the shoulder strap. That one's going to run $1799, and that's the way to go if you're going to be running a lot of power hungry tools. Now there's also a warranty on this. It's going to run for 3 years, so make sure you get that registered. Take advantage of that if you feel like you're going to need it. The primary purpose of Milwaukee's M18 carry-on power supply is to provide portable power in areas that you can't take a gas generator. And for what it's designed for, it does really well. Now, if you have any questions about this unit or feedback for us, feel free to leave those in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.